The countryside of Ap Governorate in Yemen is characterized by a mild climate and heavy seasonal rains, especially from July to September, which makes it one of the most fertile areas in the country. Heavy rains often cause torrential torrents, leading to damage to infrastructure, homes, and farms, as happened in August 2022, when torrents caused deaths, injuries, and major material damage. Recently, Ap witnessed heavy rains accompanied by cold in May 2025, which affected several directorates. Seoul also recorded in April 2025 that led to the death of 6 people, including 4 from one family, with resentment of the lack of radical solutions to repeat these disasters. The National Meteorological Center constantly warns of thunderstorms and colds in Ap and other governorates, with expectations of varying rains on the mountainous highlands. For precise expectations, sites such as Arab weather or AccuWeather will be followed up. To avoid risks, residents are advised to avoid valleys due.